This video does not share any personal or confidential information for educational or informative purposes only.
Hi guys, welcome to my new video, and today's video how to make Arabic documents if you are not fluent in Arabic. This video will help you how to properly make your documents in Arabic. If you don't know properly how to make documents, this video also help you. So at first we don't have any format, like we are making a NOC. Voice is must be essential for every company. It not be NOC, it could be any documents, making contract, making anything. It could be will be help you. So it's a common contract in NOC. So I will show you this one I've already made. Make the video is finished but not recorded. So go again. Most of time actually I'm using ChatGPT, DeepSeek. This is tricks actually we are using in AI civilization. So why not are using AI for making documents? Why not? So this is the things actually. There is company letterhead as recommended. So he right there here. Okay, we just make everything, make copy on MS Word. So here, okay, essential things we are keeping, not essential things we removing. Okay, so this is the company letterhead. So we put letterhead at first. I'll show you FUFA documentation because it's for beginners. So this is 400 is could be better. Unessential things we need to be deleted. Okay. So you need to be remember, NOC could be for anything, for making bank account, making trip for journey, or changing company sponsorship or anything. So NOC is must be essential for every company, and so we are making this NOC for transfer of sponsorship, applying for a new job. Okay, this are your Apple history requested. This is the law issues essential. We wish all the hints. Than designation general manager. Now your documents is done. Okay, it's totally done. Now you need to make it in Arabic because in Middle East everywhere is Arabic. So how I make this in Arabic? Let's go make coffee. I just Control C and you paste it here and type here translate in Arabic. Okay, just wait a few minutes because AI will be do everything for you, and it's very easy, very simple. Okay, you can see our NOC is done. Our NOC is totally done. We just make it copy, we make it paste here. As you know, Arabic letter coming from right side, so we need to do a little bit tricks in MS Word. Let's do that. To select it, and we go. See, here is left to right, and here is right to left. So it will come right to left, and unessential things we need to be removed. Sometimes we are facing some problem that we need to be type Arabic a little bit because all things are AI not doing for you. Okay, so that time we need to be some tricks and you need to be type. If you can type that, I will show you how to type, and another tricks. So another tricks I will show you that one is I can written in Arabic. Another, if you don't know totally how to write in Arabic, that time you can use this way, like go any AI software is any, and just select that and see this is my ID card. I just upload your any Arabic, any documents like voices are included in there in Arabic. I need Arabic name, so just upload the documents. If you have ID card, share copy or anything is anything. My name, my ID card is Muhammad Zahidul Islam. Is already DeepSeek. I break down it. First name Muhammad Zahid Islam. Okay, see breakdown. So I need this only. This is Muhammad Zahidul Islam. Make copy and you can select that is me. Okay, probably sometime what you have written. So you can use these tricks like that. Review, translate, and go translate selection. You can whole document make translation, but we're not doing it right now. Okay, translate selection and see specific builder tree entry problem. See, this is my name. So Muhammad Zahidul Islam, Muhammad Zahid al Islam. So I just make it here. So now is the profile name I'm finding. Muhammad Zahid al Islam. This is the document profile name. So anything you need to be right, you can do one way, and another way probably you need to be write time can probably sometime not working. You need to be by your hand. How you write? You see on the language is there. Click language preference, and if your PC is already installed Arabic language, is okay. You not need to be do anything, but it already. If not, you need to be install language. Click add a language. Type your languages here, and then now need to be changes your languages here in English. Shift fell and alter click, and your language is changed. You can see here is Arabic. So now I need to be write Muhammad Zahidul Islam. So I will show you. So there is the keyboard, and if you are in Middle East, every keyboard are including Arabic alphabet with English alphabet. You need to be given at least 2-3 days for the research that where is the essential word you need to be type. You can see is every word alif, ba, ta, sa, sha, no, okay, dal everywhere is there. So I need to be write Muhammad mean, ha, mim, dal. So this is the Muhammad. So I write to with this word. So mim, ha, mim, dal. This is Muhammad Jahidul Islam, right? So for that, you can go Jim, Alif, Ha, Dal. This is Zahid. Al Islam. Alif, Lam, Alif, Sin. Lam, Alif, Mim. That is Al Islam. Ali, Alif, Lam, Ya. Okay. Then Ahmed, Alif, Ha, Mim, Dal. So this is the way you can make our Arabic document. So guys, your full documents is ready. Just you need to be print it, make the signature and make print out. And before completing video, I've given one important tricks which is must be essential for recheck your documents. If you are finding any mistake there, you need to be do it. So for that, I just show you again. Probably you have completed rechecked. After completing, go this reference, then review, then selection, then you can write every word by word. There is any mistaken on there. See, there is there. So yeah, sincerely is a like that. Name is okay, Afan Khan, name is okay or not. All for today. Hopefully we'll meet another new video. Until then, tata, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye, take care.